Number 2. Ooh. Oh no! No, I spoke too soon! He shook it off! Oh no! Son of a gun! What is up, guys? Billy Mac here for another adventure. We are doing part 2 of the lure challenge. So if you don't remember, I bought from another YouTuber, the Craigslist Hunter, Peter the Craigslist Hunter, a set of lures. A whole box full of lures. We're going to hit the dad's pond. We're going to do some fishing. We're going to see what we can catch with all these lures, only using these lures. I'm going to try to use one of every type of lure. I don't even know if that's even possible, but let's go fishing. Okay, now I'm a little pissed off. Did some fishing earlier, caught some fish. I thought I was recording the whole time, but apparently I wasn't. So let's make this official then. Let's start off with a spoon like we did earlier that I thought got official, but didn't. Dang it. Annoys the heck out of me. Got like 3 or 4 good bass and the camera shut off, and I was thinking to myself like, geez, Billy, probably should think about wrapping it up soon because the wind is really bad. And nope. God, I'm peeved about that. People say YouTubing is going to be easy. Yeah, it's easy to go out and film stuff and do stuff, and yeah, but you got to kind of do the important things like make sure the camera's on. God, I had 4 beautiful bass too, and no evidence to prove it because you know what? The camera wasn't on. Using good tackle, I mean, this tackle was given to me by another YouTuber. This tackle is amazing. It swims beautiful, like that lipless crank over there. I don't know if you can see it. God, it shined beautiful in the water. So I know that we're not going to be able to do any topwater today, so the challenge officially is not doable. This wind is just too much to do any topwater. So this challenge is technically a fail due to the weather, but these lures are very nice. I mean, I thought some of these would have been a little big for these fish, but they're not. The fish love them, and you'll know that as soon as I catch one. But God, all right, let's put this spoon away. Dang it! Let's go to this red lipless crank and really catch a fish and really put it on video because, like, that needs to happen. Like, really. Minus the wind, it's a really pretty day out today. A nice spring day. It's about 60 degrees. Yesterday was weird. We had cold weather. That's no fun. My wife woke up this morning saying there was a light thing of snow on the ground, which sucks because I planted my garden. And whoa! And because I planted the garden, I fear that some of the plants might have died. I brought, I don't know if you can see it, bait caster pole and a couple of spinning reels. I for Christmas, or it was my birthday, I can't remember, I asked for a bait caster and a fly rod, and I got them both. And I've tried using that bait caster. Yep, there you go, fish on. Now it's official. Well, it's not official until I get it in the boat. So I asked for both, and I got both, and I still don't really know how to use them. The bait caster always seems to go into a bird's nest on me. Come on, buddy. Don't shake. Let's go. Wow, bro. Come on. 1, 2, 3, in. Don't ooze all over my camera. Thank you. Thank you for making it official. Good little bass. Yeah, I know. That's not the water, it's my lap. Good little bass. Now it's official. The stuff that I bought off another YouTuber, thanks for playing, buddy, does work. And I got it on video this time, and everyone believes me. I hate technology. So, I don't know, I don't know if the last fish I caught on the spoon got recorded or not. I really don't know. I don't even know if the last one on the crankbait got recorded, because, I don't know, somehow, some way, shape, or form, the card just shut off, and I had to insert a new memory card, and I didn't get my normal beat that I get when it's full. But okay. So that all being said and done, I don't know if anybody heard me say this earlier, because this technology is just being weird for me. For Christmas and my birthday, I asked for a bait caster and a fly rod. And I've never used a bait caster or a fly rod. I've always used a spinner. I got one. I tried it earlier. I know I'm gonna bomb it, but if I can't complete Peter's challenge on his lures, we're gonna try to at least catch a fish on this bait caster. And I know, yep, I knew that was already gonna happen.
A few moments later.
Woo, what a day! Windy as all heck. Bass are biting. But this wind, woo! I might have to end this a little early, because I can hear the trolling motor doing some strenuous work, fighting the wind. We'll see how it goes. Give it another hour or two. But you know what? 80% of this challenge is these lures are good. Good lures. Bass are biting. So far, a good day. So far, a good day. You guys have any tips about how I should set my reel on this bait caster? Let me know in the comments below. I'm so a rookie at this. mean, I'm not casting horribly. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. Hit that subscribe button. I enjoy this. I enjoy adventures. And if you like to see other things that are not fishing related, you know, like hiking, stuff like that, I mean, let me know in the comments below. I plan on getting back out magnet fishing. I haven't done that in a while. One of the reasons why I haven't done magnet fishing is because real fishing started to open up, you know. So get back out magnet fishing. I also have a few ideas coming up for some abandoned buildings. Like there's once parks and regulations and things have to lighten back up with this whole coronavirus thing. You know, there's like Fort Adams in Newport. It's an abandoned fort. It's been there since World War I or World War II. I can't remember. Anyways, it's been there for a while. It's abandoned. There's a few tunnels you can go explore. That's just fun to do. There's the Lantern Hill. It's a big old cliff face. It's beautiful. You can see as far as you can see. These are all things I want to check out. I want to do it, as much as I'm going back out to Boston probably soon, once this whole world settles down a little bit. Actually, in all honesty, I may not be going back to Boston until almost summertime, so I'll have to see. But I do got a lot of adventures and a few other things, you know, coming up. It doesn't have to be just about fishing. It could be about anything. I mean, I always said, life's an adventure, so go out and explore it. Oh, God, this wind. Oh, hell yeah. First fish on the new bait caster. No, don't lose it. Yeah. Oh, that don't got you good either. Heck yeah. How did I get my shoe? Oh, buddy. Yeah, here's one blown into the trees. Heck yeah, look at that. First fish on the new bait caster. That is amazing. Good little bass. Thanks for coming, bud. Have a nice day. Woo! I am excited. I broke the ice with this bait caster. Oh my God, you have no idea how awesome that is for me. I have been struggling all winter, all early spring, and how to figure out how to use this thing, and now I've kind of got it down to a form that I get, I like it, I enjoy it. Oh God, I apparently got cut at some point, didn't even know that. Sorry for looking at my gross thumb then. I had no idea I got cut. Didn't know when that happened, don't know why. Apparently I did it on this thumb too. Next time I gotta remember to bring my pliers. Yes, I broke in the bait cast. You have no idea how exciting that is. Let's go. Let's see if we can do it again. Are we being too greedy? Are we being too greedy? Should we just call it quits? Come on. One more. Number 2. Oh no! No! I spoke too soon! He shook it off! Oh no! Son of a gun! Wrapping up for the day. This wind is something else. I can't fish in this. However, some good came out of this. One, we did catch some fish on the lures that I got from Peter. So thumbs up to that. We did catch up to that. Yeah, the battery on this thing is starting to die because I'm at full tilt, I'm at full everything, and we ain't hardly cruising. It's been fighting the wind. It needs to go on the charger. Overall, we had a really fun time today. Some hiccups, some camera glitches, some camera storage problems. Other than that, it was a good day overall. Wind can go to you know where, but other than that, it's been a great day. Great day fishing. Had a lot of fun fishing. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Oh my god, I almost lost my hat. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Oh, I gotta get this put in. It was fun fishing with y'all today. In the meantime, I'll catch you on the next adventure. See ya.